Ye soldiers of the cross, lift high His royal banner. It must not suffer loss. From victory unto victory, His army shall He lead, till every foe is vanquished, and Christ is Lord indeed.
Stand up for Jesus, stand
In His grace alone. The arm of flesh will fail you, ye dare not trust your own. Put on the gospel armor.